What is up, YouTube? Today you are going to be learning the top 3 secrets that will change your trading forever. And make sure that you stay till the end of this because I got a little something for you guys. So let's get right into this. So the total market cap has seen a nice impulsive move on the upside up to resistance, and then just recently over the past 24 hours saw a rejection off that resistance and fell back down to about the $168 billion level. But on the smaller time frames such as the 2-hour and the 4-hour, it looks like we could easily see continuation. So I'm not jumping the gun on this rally being over, but I do think that this is a little bit of a dip before we push higher. But if 162 fails and 168, then we're going to be watching the $144 billion support level next. So there's a little bit of blood on the coinmarketcap.com. So let's check out the top mover, which is Repo token. But upon a little bit of research, this coin has virtually no exchanges that you can trade it on, and it's very low volume. So let's check out Project Pi, because at least this one you guys will be able to potentially take positions on if you're interested in doing so. And I really do like the setup of Project Pi right now, with this huge drop off since it was created, and then the beginnings of an uptrend forming on the smaller time frames with volume to confirm the bullish movement. So you guys, I like this setup quite a bit, and it's not very overvalued in any way on the short term. So if you're interested in looking for something to be getting in on, this might be something you could pick up, especially if there's another dip buy kind of to the support level before another wave up. But a lot of these coins are seeing that bottom formation with a breakout, and this one did a little bit of a cup and handle as well. So they're starting to paint more of bullish structure, and it's looking good on a lot of the altcoins across the map. Now, one of the things I want to teach you as a secret today is the weekly MACD. This works very, very well for finding big picture reversals, whether it's a bullish trend or a bearish trend reversal pattern. As you can see with Ethereum here, we got a nice bearish cross right here towards the top of the market, and we've gotten a nice bullish cross here recently with Ethereum. And Bitcoin will show a similar story as well. This is just a powerful tool to find reversals in markets in the bigger picture. So that's the #1 secret. It's very, very underused. You just add the normal MACD. I use settings 12, 26, and 9, and then you just look for that cross on the weekly candlesticks. And one last example of that would be Litecoin, with a very, very clear cross right here. And then you get that very, very clear cross down here as well. We did get a bit of an early cross right here, so you might have started to buy a little bit and then had another dip, but this just goes to show why averaging into your positions and not buying all of it at one time is a good move, because sometimes your indicators can be just a little bit behind of the actual bottom. The #2 secret that will change your trading forever is finding falling wedge patterns. You guys, this works on a lot of time frames, and especially since the correction started happening, we're getting a lot of those falling wedge patterns the whole way down. So let me show you how to use this. It's very, very simple. Here's the falling wedge pattern on Litecoin in the big picture. We just take a resistance line and we draw it right here. And then we take a support line and we draw it right here. And you can see very quickly here that we saw a bounce in between the zone over and over with Litecoin before it found support and then broke out of that wedge. So that's a falling wedge pattern. You can see over here on the left hand side, if I just take this tool and go like this, you'll see that prices fall, get squeezed tighter and tighter, and then break out. And that's a bullish signal, actually. And this isn't the first one that Litecoin has done since it started dropping. If you drop time frames to about the 12-hour time frame, as you can see in the 12-hour time frame, you'll see a falling wedge very easily here. I like this pattern because it doesn't take much practice for the eye to see it. They're very, very accurate patterns, meaning that the probability is pretty high if you play them that it's going to go in your favor. And they play across the map on pretty much all of the altcoins. So if you see it, then you know that you can hop in on that coin specifically, whatever one it's showing up on. And here's Monero, just one more chart that has a very, very nice falling wedge pattern on it and the beginnings of a reversal. And the third and final secret is to use market cycles, or the Wall Street cheat sheet as it's commonly called. It is unbelievable how powerful this tool is in your trading to get a better perspective of what's going on, reduce your risk of losses, and find the maximum financial opportunity for entries and the maximum financial opportunity for exits. This is really one of the most powerful tools you'll ever find, and it's free. It just takes a Google search to pop this chart up and analyze other charts with it. So here's an example of Dash, and I just want to point out that this right here is the new paradigm, or the euphoria part of the chart right here. And then down right here we start to get the anger. As you can see, anger in the market. And then over here is where we are in the depression phase of the market cycle. So that's the red zone right here. And this just works on most charts. You get the disbelief phase, the euphoria, and the drop. And, you know, whether it's stocks or crypto, you can find the same cycle everywhere. This is that disbelief phase, and then the euphoria and the drop over and over again. So don't forget to grab the Wall Street cheat sheet, pop it up on all your favorite altcoins and Bitcoin, and look over it and get a better picture of when you should be taking buying actions and when you should be taking selling actions. And you guys, right now it is so clear to me, based on market cycle analysis, that taking buying actions in this big picture move is way smarter than taking selling actions down here. So go ahead and use those 3 secrets under your trading belt to really get a better picture of what's going on in the big picture and whether you should be taking buying or selling actions. You guys, I have a discount running for spring on the VIP course. If you are ready to take your trading to the next level, if you've been looking at these charts over and over and don't really understand what's going on, if you feel a little discouraged, or maybe you need a little bit of a push in the right direction, this is for you. There's videos, we've got analysis that we post, there's other members in the group, and it's consistent. All you have to do is sign up, do your research, join the group, look at the signals, and get a better picture of what's going on in the market. It will leapfrog your learning significantly, and the discount is up to 30% today, so go ahead and check that out. All you have to do is click the links in the description box below. You can apply the coupon. The coupon is Spring Sell, and that will reduce 30% on all of my products, so that's a very significant discount on the VIP group. I really appreciate you guys so much tuning into this, and hope that you have been learning from all of my videos recently. I'm excited about what's coming in the crypto space in general, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next videos. Go ahead and hit that like button. Follow me on social media in the description box, and I will see you guys tomorrow. As always, stay profitable out there.